Top printers for small businesses. Title: Top printers for small businesses. Introduction. In today's digital era, printers remain an essential tool for small businesses. Whether you need to print invoices, marketing materials, or important documents, having a reliable printer can significantly improve your efficiency and productivity. With numerous options available in the market, choosing the right printer for your small business can be a daunting task. To help you make an informed decision, this article will highlight some of the top printers suitable for small businesses. 1. HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 All-in-One Printer. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 is a versatile all-in-one printer designed for small businesses. Equipped with a high-capacity automatic document feeder and duplex printing capabilities, this printer can handle large volumes of documents efficiently. With fast print speeds and wireless connectivity options, the OfficeJet Pro 9015 offers convenience and productivity. Additionally, its inkjet technology ensures crisp and vibrant prints, making it suitable for both text and graphics. 2. Brother HL L2350DW Laser Printer. For small businesses that primarily require high-quality black and white prints, the Brother HL L2350DW laser printer is an excellent choice. This compact printer delivers sharp and professional print while being affordable and easy to use. With wireless connectivity, automatic duplex printing, and high-speed printing, it is well suited for small office spaces. Moreover, it offers mobile printing ink options, allowing you to print directly from your smartphone or tablet. With its wide format capabilities, this printer can handle media sizes up to 13x19. The Workforce WF7210 offers fast printing speeds and efficient ink usage, resulting in cost-effective prints for your business. It also supports wireless and mobile printing, providing convenience and flexibility. 4. Canon Color Image Class MF743 CDW All-in-One Printer. For small businesses in need of vibrant color prints, the Canon Color Image Class MF743 CDW is a reliable option. This all-in-one printer combines high-quality color prints, scanning, copying, and FOXA ink capabilities in a compact design. With its intuitive touchscreen interface and quick printing speeds, it can handle the demands of a small office effectively. Additionally, it offers advanced security features, ensuring the confidentiality of your documents. 5. Xerox VersaLink C405/DN Color Multifunction Printer. The Xerox VersaLink C405/DN is a powerful color multifunction printer suitable for small businesses with heavy printing needs. With advanced features like high-resolution printing, cloud connectivity, and mobile printing options, this printer offers flexibility and convenience. It provides impressive print quality, whether you are printing brochures, presentations, or business documents. The VersaLink C405/DN also includes robust security features, making it ideal for businesses that prioritize data protection. With its unique ink investment tank system, this printer includes a large ink supply that can last for months without needing replacement. This printer also offers multifunction capabilities, including printing, scanning, copying, and faxing. Its wireless connectivity options and mobile printing features add convenience to your workflow. 7. Epson EcoTank ET 4760 Wireless Color All-in-One Printer. The Epson EcoTank ET 4760 is an eco-friendly printer that is perfect for small businesses seeking to reduce their environmental impact. This printer features an innovative ink tank system that aids the need for traditional ink cartridges. With a large ink capacity, the EcoTank ET 4760 can print thousands of pages before needing a refill. It offers wireless connectivity and supports mobile printing, allowing you to print from various devices effortlessly. Additionally, this printer delivers high-quality prints with vibrant colors, making it suitable for a range of business needs. 8. HP LaserJet Pro M426 FDW Wireless All-in-One Printer. The HP LaserJet Pro M426 FDW is a reliable all-in-one printer tailored for small businesses that require fast and efficient printing. Equipped with high-speed printing and automatic duplex capability. This printer can handle large volumes of documents quickly. It also supports wireless and mobile printing, enabling seamless integration with your existing devices. Additionally, the LaserJet Pro M426 FDW offers advanced scanning, copying, and faxing features, making it a versatile solution for small office spaces. 9. Canon PIXMA G6020 Wireless Megatank All-in-One Printer. The Canon PIXMA G6020 is a cost-effective printer designed for small businesses with high-volume printing needs. Featuring a built-in Megatank system, this printer comes with a substantial amount of ink that can last for a long time. With its exceptional print quality and wireless connectivity, the PIXMA G6020 can handle various printing tasks effectively. It also offers mobile printing options, allowing you to print on the go. Additionally, this printer has an auto-duplexing feature, enabling double-sided printing to save paper. With fast printing speeds and a high-capacity document feeder, this printer ensures efficient performance even in demanding work environments. It supports wireless and mobile printing, enabling easy connectivity with your devices. Moreover, the MB3442 ad includes security features to protect sensitive information and prevent unauthorized access, making it suitable for businesses with strict security requirements. 11. Epson SuraColor P600 Wireless Color Inkjet Printer. The Epson SuraColor P600 is a professional-grade color inkjet printer that is ideal for small businesses in the creative industry. With its advanced Ultrachrome HD pigment ink, this printer can produce